Hello, this is Joel from the Relay team, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up an auto invest plan in the Relay app. Very important ahead, this is for EU users of Relay because you will have a new IBAN. I made a video about this and I'm showing you how to set this up now. Please follow along because it's very easy and simple to get started. To get going, we obviously need to open up the Relay app. And once you've done that and you've entered your PIN or you did the face scan, you will get to the home screen. In the home screen, we then need to create an auto invest order. To be able to do so, do the following. Click into the main menu, which is the blue round button with the white cross, and go into the buy menu. Once you're in that menu, you'll be asked how much you want to actually buy Bitcoin for. In this example, I'm deliberately using 250 euros. However, I just want to mention that you also get a auto invest plan monthly for free for 100 euros. So if you want to add a second invest plan later on, please do so now. But for now, we'll choose 250 and we'll continue. And then you get asked, do you want to do it weekly or monthly? In this example, I'm doing a monthly auto invest plan. But also on that note, if you want to get a weekly one done, you can choose so here. Once we've chosen the monthly invest plan, we'll actually get asked which of your payment methods do you want to use. For this example, I'm going to use a bank transfer, but other options are also available. And then we get to the order summary, which is very important to check again. What is the order amount? What is actually the Relay service fee? Again, in my example, there is a service fee of 0.9%. You can lower it from 1% to that number if you use a custom code, as I did with Relay here. But if you, again, use an auto invest plan with 100 bucks, you would have that for free. I'm happy with everything now, so I'm clicking on buy now. And now we get to the very important part, because here is where we see the new IBAN. Again, if you're an EU user, you will need to now send the money to this new EU IBAN. It's a SEPA instant IBAN, so the money will be with us very promptly and very fastly. If you still have an open standing order from before there was our process of getting you on board Relay EU, please make sure that you delete that order, that you also cancel the order in your banking app. If it's your first time, you don't have to worry about. Go into the banking app now, add all of these details, send the money, and once you're done, come back to the screen, hit done, and that's it. You've successfully now created a monthly auto invest plan in my example. The same rule would obviously apply with a weekly one as well. And that's how simple it truly is to create a Bitcoin auto invest plan with Relay. As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below the video. Reach out to us in the app or on social media. But until then, I wish you a very nice day and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.